Have you ever heard of people making money from Google just by publishing articles or videos? Welcome to Glimpse Pro, and today we're breaking down in the simplest way possible what is Google AdSense and how can you start making money from it even if you have zero experience. Stick around until the end. This video might completely change how you see the internet. What is Google AdSense? Google AdSense is an advertising program by Google. It allows website owners and YouTubers to place ads on their content. Every time someone views or clicks on an ad, you earn a share of the revenue. So, you focus on creating content, and Google connects you with advertisers. In short, AdSense is the middleman between you and advertisers. How can you make money with it? There are two main ways. 1. A website or blog. You create a site and write valuable articles on topics like food, tech, or travel. Then you link your site to AdSense, and ads will start appearing automatically. 2. A YouTube channel. You create original videos and meet the monetization requirements: 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours. After that, you apply for AdSense and ads will start showing on your videos. The more views or visitors you get, the more you earn. How much can you earn? Your earnings depend on several factors: the number of visits or views, your content niche, where your audience is located, and the type of ads shown. In some niches like tech or finance, a single click can earn you over $5, while in other topics it's less. So the key is create high-quality content in a profitable niche. How do you start? Step by step. 1. Choose a niche you love and can stick with. 2. Start a blog on Blogger or WordPress, or launch a YouTube channel. 3. Publish useful, consistent content. 4. Once you reach a decent audience, apply for Google AdSense. 5. Stay committed and focus on improving your content and SEO. Is AdSense a reliable source of income? The answer is yes and no. Yes, if you create consistent content and build a loyal audience. No, if you rely on luck or short-term content. To truly succeed, you have to treat it like a real business. Learn marketing, SEO, and regularly analyze your performance. Conclusion: Google AdSense is a powerful tool for anyone looking to start earning online. But success takes patience, consistency, and smart work. If you're passionate about content and want to build a real income, start today and try it for yourself. This was Glimpse Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And let us know in the comments which method do you prefer to make money with AdSense, website, or YouTube.